Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today is Decorate My Space. Fall is here. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Tablescapes by Candy. The co-host is Sassoon Glam Style Living, Buckeye Girls Reefs and Things, Pretty DIYs, Annalise Cupboard, and myself, Design with Emma. And as you all know, I am on vacation, so I had to do with what I have and try to decorate my space, which is my cruise room. So lo and behold, the colors in here were orange, and it is called Fall is Here. So they did have the right colors in here. So let me show you a little bit about what I've done here. Now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've put together. As I said, I had to use what was here. And what I've done, I've taken 3 pillows from the bed and lined the orange couch. And that was to bring the white from the wall and make that couch pop a little. On each side, it has a lamp. Then here was the stool from the desk, and I just pushed it over because it had a little design in it, and also it would bring a pop. On the table here, I just have a simple tray with the little mouse tower and 2 glasses. As I said, I'm working with what I have here. The bed is also orange. And I took the drapes here and tied them back so you would get a full view of the ocean. I want to thank the Grace DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy for inviting me to be a part of this collaboration. It's fall. You all make sure you go over and check out all the creators who are participating in It's Fall Today. I will leave their information in my description box. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Decorate My Space. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.